I wish I was smart enough to be able to write that kind of shit and put it into law so that we were able to, you know. Accessories of firearm in the commission of a crime is definitely needed. That is needed in law. Also suppressors. Suppressors, so I'll show you. So, I own a suppressor. This is an MCX Virtus with an EOTech Voodoo scope on it and a dead air tri-comp suppressor. It works with 556, 300 blackout, and 76239. This suppressor right here, okay? If someone came over, I live in Florida. So if someone came over and they wanted to shoot this suppressor, okay? This suppressor cannot leave my side. If I were to let someone take my firearm to the range and they got pulled over by the police and they are found with this suppressor, not only is he going to jail, I'm going to prison, okay? Suppressors are very, very, very clear, especially in the United States of America. When you own something like this, because of the danger that it presents or because of the danger that it could possibly be a part of, there's very, very strict laws regarding said accessory to a firearm. Now, this is a lot different. A magazine is a lot different, okay? But when it comes to this specific part, the suppressor, there is very stern laws about having, owning, and using said suppressor. Okay? Very different. Even this is different. This is different. This is different. This, they don't fuck around with this. This is a 6 to 8 month. It took me 14 months. I did it during COVID-19. Took me 14 months to get this thing, and yeah, it's a fuck around, find out kind of thing. So again, I know what I'm talking about, especially when it comes to this kind of stuff, firearms. It's a passion of mine. You know, I have a lot of them. I got everything you can think of. I know about that shit, and that's why whenever I find it, whenever, you know, in the city at least, whenever stuff like this, and we have no charge for it, it's very aggravating, because outside the city, in real life, this is a really big fucking deal, you know? Yes, it's like 10 to 15 years in federal prison if you let somebody go and basically take your suppressor from you. I mean, like, lend it out, not like stolen. Obviously, mag is cleared. Chamber's cleared. Is the MP40. IRL MP40. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Oh, Jesus. Here's another one you guys might recognize. The Desert Eagle 50 AE. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Looks like it's an airsoft gun. It is. ATF. You ain't fooling me today. You think I ain't smart? I know you with the government. It is an airsoft gun. You think that's cool, chat? I got one more thing to show you. The government in here? Doesn't look like it. Hee 338 Lapua. You think that's crazy? One more.
You getting
last one
now that H and K have a company in the US to distribute them? If you got one already, show, smile.
Say hello to my little friend. Come on now. Hey, who playing Fortnite?